A lot of cool t-shirts only come in a unisex fit, while I prefer a slimmer fit. But that's easy and quick to fix. I'll be changing the waist, the sleeves and the neckline. To adapt the waist, put the shirt on inside out. Pinch the fabric on both sides to get a feel for how tight you want it to be, and then pin the layers together on both sides. Lay the shirt down flat and draw the new side seams. Make sure you end up at the original armholes and that you make both sides symmetrical. Pin the layers together and sew a straight stitch along the lines. You can cut the extra fabric off because it won't ravel, but I tend to just leave it in place. Put the shirt on again and decide the shape you want for the sleeves. Mark the top and bottom with pins. Lay the shirt down inside out. Draw the new sleeve line and add 3 centimeters of seam allowance. And then for the scary and fun part, cut the remaining fabric off. Draw the new sleeve line on both sides of both sleeves. Then fold the fabric inside twice along this line. Pin it all in place and sew the new hem at an even distance from the edge. For the neckline, t-shirts have a strip of stretchy ribbing. Start by removing the stitching along this ribbing on the front of the shirt. There are multiple lines of stitching here, so just cut and remove all the stitching you can find with a seam ripper. Now that the ribbing is loose, you can see how much you can change the neckline. This is limited by the stretch of the ribbing. For bigger changes, you'll need to remove the ribbing entirely and replace it with a longer strip. I'm going for a V-neck, so I marked the lowest point of the V. Then I folded the shirt along the middle so I can cut a symmetrical new neckline. Make sure to add a bit of seam allowance. Pin the ribbing to the new neckline right sides together and make sure to distribute the stretch evenly. Now sew close to the edge, starting and stopping at the original seam at the shoulders. Stretch the ribbing as you sew to match the t-shirt fabric. After the sewing it'll probably bunch together a little bit, but we'll take care of that soon. To make a cleaner looking V, I'm sewing a little triangle on the inside of the ribbing. Flip the ribbing up and sew another line of stitching just below the seam. This keeps the ribbing standing upright and helps a bit against the bunching up. Finally, use an iron to press the ribbing into its new shape and size. The heat will help set the ribbing and prevent the bunching. And that's it! The shirt fits me much better now and I know I'll wear it a lot more this way. Okay, that's it guys! Thank you for watching as always, and if you're not subscribed to Make It Soph yet, make sure to check out her channel because she does some awesome stuff. I'll see you next time!